The topic that I chose to present on was how the American Medical Association recognized alcoholism as a disease in 1957. The disease can be defined as a disorder of human function with signs and symptoms which are not caused by physical injury. It is argued that it qualifies as a disease because it's primary, meaning the illness exists independently, although it may cause other illnesses. It's chronic, meaning it will not go away or heal itself. It's progressive, so it gets worse over time. It's symptomatic, so it can be diagnosed because of the way it's presented through various symptoms affecting a person's physiology, behavior, and overall lifestyle. And finally, the disease can lead to death if it is left untreated. The stages of alcoholism are known as the pre-alcoholic phase, which includes social drinking or drinking to relieve stress or to feel better, in which the person also develops a tolerance for alcohol. Next is the prodromal phase, where blackouts begin and the drinker starts to drink in secret and frequently. The third phase is the crucial phase, where the person spirals and there's out-of-control drinking at inappropriate times. There are also physical changes to the brain and body during this stage. Finally, the chronic phase includes daily drinking, and life begins to revolve around alcohol. Health problems occur, and withdrawal symptoms start to occur when the person goes too long without alcohol. Overall, the disease is considered as a physical addiction beyond the patient's control, which is distinguished by certain symptoms and requires a special medical treatment or help.